You're absolutely right, Doctor. In a million years, I could never imagine hurting anyone or anything. And how do you feel about the person you used to be? I feel terrible. But you know what? Because, thanks to you, I feel much better now. I'm quite confident that when I leave this place, I'll be okay. And when do you think that will be? Now? Today? Right away? What makes you say that? Well, it was you, Doctor, that said that when I was able to accept what I did and took responsibility for my actions, that I would be free to go. Free to go? You mean to tell me that you don't expect to stand trial? Doctor, I look forward to proving my innocence. I thought you said previously that you had accepted what you did. Now, that's not what I meant. I see. I was sick when it happened. I wasn't responsible for what I did. So how do I know that you're not telling me something you want me to hear? It's not what I meant. No! What I need is to get out of here. Now. I'm starting to feel that you're getting angry. Perhaps we need to increase your dosage. What I need is to get out of this room. I've been stuck in here for weeks. Weeks. We just brought you to this location an hour ago.